The greedy dog. Once there lived a greedy dog. He was very hungry. He searched for food everywhere. At last, he found a bone. Oh, this looks a delicious bone. He picked the bone in his mouth and started going back to his home. On his way to his home, there was a bridge. When he started crossing the bridge, he saw his reflection in the water. The dog thought that there was another dog with a bone in the water. The dog thought to himself, "Oh, the dog in the water also has a piece of bone. If I snatch his bone, I will have two bones." He wanted to get that another bone too. So he started barking at his own reflection. As soon as he opened his mouth, the bone fell into the water. The water splashed, and only then the dog realized that the other dog was his own reflection. But it was too late. Alas, he had lost the piece of bone because of his greed.
Moral of the story: don't be greedy. We should not be greedy. Greed is a bad thing. Greed takes away all our happiness and gives us pain. So, one must be contented and should rely on hard work and be satisfied in whatever is achieved through hard work. If we will be greedy, we will even lose what we have. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.